Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Chat GPT Widget on Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, and then click install. Now click open, then click on this button to skip introduction, and now click on open permissions, then click on AI assistant, and you have to allow this app to display over other apps. Then you can click back and click back again. Now you can click start, and as you can see, here is my Chat GPT widget, and you can open him and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.